In this video I'm going to show you how to use the animated elements that we've created, 9 elements in total. Obviously you don't have to use them all, you might have some favourites, you might just want to use a couple of them, but there's 9 elements there. Okay, so what we've done is we've put the code in a file which is accessible online, so there's code for each of those different elements. So you just click on the code, click on the link. It says remember to change the affiliate url.com. Obviously this is extremely important. That's this part here between the quotes. Just change that bit. Okay, so first thing you would do is copy. So left click the mouse and just copy by Control C. Now if we go to Elementio, what we're going to do here, what I suggest you do, is create a campaign for each of those animated elements. Then you can clone that campaign, and all you do is click clone, as we've seen in another video, change the URL, publish it, and your link is done. Okay, so let's say you're planning to promote Moringa at some point, so we'll create a new campaign. Let's call it Meringue, because I've already done one called Moringa. This can be anything you want for reference purposes. Let's just put a valid URL in here. So you can think of this as a sort of a skeleton. So you're going to be cloning this element later. If you just wanted to quickly promote Moringa using the code, then this would be the URL that you're going to overlay. But at this point we're just going to load this up. Okay, that's now loaded. So you click on the icon at the top. This form of code is called an embed code, so click on embed. Now we're going to go back here and get your code, Control C. Just put the mouse in the box here, and Control V or right click to paste. Now point, if you think this banner's too big, just change the width and change the height. Okay, so if you want it half the size, obviously you change that to 320, 180. You must click run. Okay, so just click run, that'll preview it and confirm everything's okay. Okay, so that's appeared, fine. I'm just going to put a 5-second delay on this, but you probably want this to be about 25, 30, something like that. And then just turn it on. Okay, let's turn it on. It's now appeared. And you just place it wherever you want it to appear when it comes onto the page. Now, a good idea is probably to add an exit pop-up. So it will appear when someone goes to leave the page. So select embed code, paste it in, Control V, and just change these dimensions here. Now again, if you wanted to make it smaller, you could do that by changing the code here to 320, 180 as an example, and code here to 320, 180. Remember, for both of those you can change the animations if you want to as well. Just turn that on. That's your exit pop-up done and your normal pop-up done. So go down to the bottom, click save, click publish. So that element now is available to you whenever you want to run a campaign. So let's just double check it looks okay. Okay, so there's the delayed pop-up. I'm now going to go and leave the page and the pop-up will appear again. Okay, so think of this campaign as your template. So now you want to put that animated banner on top of an article. So I've just got an article here. I'll show you just how quick it is to clone a campaign. So you know your mooring shows your Moringa animated banner. So just clone it. Call this whatever you want for reference. Okay, it's cloning it. Now all you do is action and edit and put in your link that you want to promote. The article. So we do that. There's no need to load it because you're not going to add any elements. I mean, you could add an additional element if you wanted to, but normally you would just click update. Wait for it to come updated. Now that's done, so the link is now created and you can promote it. Just show you what it looks like. And there's your pop-up over it. So you can see it's really quick to do that. With what I've shown you so far, you probably don't need to watch the rest of this video, but I'm just going to add another element. So let's go back. Let's do the sidebar. So again, remember to change the URL. This is the code you're going to copy. So let's create a new campaign, call it sidebar. So that's slowing down. Let's get that code again. So this is just a random link I'm using. That would be your article link if you just wanted to run a one-off campaign. So let's load it up. Okay, that's loaded. So remember, go to the icon, go to embed. Right click and paste the code. Just pull that down so you can look at it. Change the URL. If you were to make a mistake when you change that and you didn't put your URL correctly, like that, in other words, you deleted something you should have done and click run, it won't preview, so you'll know you've got a problem. So tap that back, click run. Okay, it's now previewed, so it looks fine. Remember, you can change your delay, change the animation if you want to. I wouldn't recommend changing the size of this because it's perfect as it is. Okay, turn it on. It's important that you reposition this, really. Now you either have it on the left hand side. I would normally put it on the right hand side. I just drag it over and save it. So you can see it's really only about a minute to do each of these once you get into the swing of things. Remember, you must publish it. If you were to click load there, you'd be starting again. So let's have a look at this. So there's the sidebar overlaying. So if you want to run a campaign using that sidebar, all you would do is clone a campaign and change the URL. Hopefully that's nice and clear. Any problems at all, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.